But we have a great infrastructure in place, and all of our systems and processes have been developed to make sure that we can handle any custom order. But at the same time, we're large enough with a distribution center over 170,000 square feet to deliver floors at a time.
The operations team consists of 60 dedicated team members who strive for professional on-time deliveries. We have 240,000 square feet of warehouse space where we run 18 trucks out to our customers each day.
I would say one of the things my team does really well, along with everyone else in Reico, is manage a whole job from start to finish. We really get everything in there, everything that the customer needs, manage deliveries, manage installers, the time frame and everything, and get it completed for the customer.
Our processes are set up for the customer to have a great experience. Whether that is a customer who's just doing their own kitchen, or a builder or commercial customer who has hundreds of units that they want to get done.
What's nice is when they look at us, they don't see any limitations. We can do one high-end custom unit, or we can do 40 apartments, in fact, that very same day.
We are committed to a professional delivery experience. Our drivers will carry in product to the house or the unit and separate it for ease of installation.
It's a team effort from our designers and key business managers all the way through to our operations and delivery team.
We know we've done a great job for our customers when they recommend us to their neighbors and friends or have us back to do a new project.